Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishima, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Yes, if today is your first time passing by this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Brasia Kitchen once again. Please do me a favor by subscribing, share, comment, and like the video. I really appreciate your support a lot. Thank you. Today we're making chocolate bun. So easy. Let's start. Tiebe yusu ya molder you. And I have here my chocolate, pink, white, and blue. Yeah, and teacher say ni say me painty chocolate no ewo molder nim. Tudi guma. Then you pour it back. You just let it spread on the molder. Then you pour the rest back. You're going to do that twice, but for the first time you let it dry it up a little bit before you do the second one. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. And I'm in.
Somebody's smiling.
I'm trying
Waiting
to
for the first one to
fan it so that it will dry faster,
So,
but it
let
was
it
still
dry up,
taking my
then
whole
I'll
time.
do the
Like,
display.
so this is what I did.
Guys, I can't wait.
For me to wait
So,
for one to
I'm gonna
get
cut
ready
this
before you start
in
another
between.
one, it's like it's gonna take you the whole day. So I cut the molder into like one, so it will be more easier. Okay, so that's it. So one who said iron, Tinesa, not just a wafan 1 you don't have to wait on the whole 12 or whatever molder to do it 1. This is very simple and easy. So that's the second coat I'm doing now. We're painting for the second time. So whilst you're doing this, the other ones are drying. Then you come back to it. So makes it fast. And abanincho. So here I have this leaves shape. So I'm going to use that one. So that's what I'm doing. I'm filling in with some of the chocolate. Nti eyi na yɛ sɛ ahaban. Nti no me the chocolate ne bi agum. Nti me use ɛde decoration. So now we're on the pink chocolate. It's the same way I did the white one the same. Nti sɛ na me di kan yɛ fitaa no. Saa na mereyɛ pink no nso. To me shake me or shaking is there's another one. So any design, any shape, I'll pen it, then you use it. Okay, so you put it in the fridge for some few minutes for it to be solid. Then now, no, I'm trying to get them out from the molder. Look at that. Aye, fe, fe, fe. You see? So when you finish with your chocolates, you just put them in the fridge for some few minutes and it will be done. This is edible paint. Let's do the painting. So I added a little bit of water. Made in suka crab in a fry. Forgive my morning voice. Oh, someone is doing painting. Go, mama. Go, mama. Oh, mommy, you finished dancing? Okay, so this one is solid. One send I dry, you know. Yeah, from the fridge. You know, I'm trying to made taking it out from the molder, but you have to make sure you don't crack it or break it. So it's coming, it's here. Okay, and then come up. Beautiful. Okay, so here I put this plate in the microwave. So it's warm now. So I'm trying, or what I'm doing now is trying to shape it, the rough edges, and also to melt it because I'm going to add the other one on top of it so it can join well. Nti sɛ nea meyɛ ne sɛ plating adɔ mede ahyɛ microwave mu anaasɛ wobɛtumi nso de asi nsu so, hot water so. Na afei mɛhyɛpi ano no ayɛ rough and also to glue, mede bɛ glue together sɛ melt saa na aba no nkyɛ ehu ma mekyerɛ no a nti aha mode yi no nea mɛyɛ ne dɛ mede chocolate drink. Yeah, so what I'm adding now is the chocolate drink or the powdered chocolate. Powdered chocolate, that's what I'll say. Powdered chocolate. Or hot chocolate. Yeah, that's American way. Hot chocolate. Then I added some marshmallows. Look, your tea is rosy. Then the same way you melt it, shape it, and add it to glue or to close it. Okay. I'm singing for you guys. Okay. So I'm putting this as tea bag. Nti ɛyin sɛ ɛyɛ gu hɔ dɛm yi a na akyerɛ dɛ ɛbɛyɛ tea a anaa ɛbɛyɛ wo milo a nea ɛhia ne a wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wofa baako a na wode wo nsuohyew anaa wo milk egu so. Ready to drink, ready to drink, ready to drink, ready to drink. You like my song? Nanyan. Nchehwa nanyan. Nti you see the same edible glue tinana medere so that I can put my candy sugar on it. So I ordered the paints, edible paints, and then the lady gave me this as a gift. The sugar, so beautiful. Thank you for your beautiful gift. I think she gave me another edible paint for the next, the second order that I placed. Thanks for my gift. Thank you. We are done, 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 done. So here we are.
Yeah, so
So
we're done.
beautiful.
This is
Aww.
our chocolate bun.
Oh, I felt Mama Mayankai.
Beautifully. Thanks for watching. Love you all from Ahambrasia Kitchen. Mwah. You. So now, let's make our tea. So beautiful. Then you pour your milk.
This is the tea bag with my milk. Hot milk.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, look. Somebody make a mess.
See, the chocolate is melting.
Okay, so come in.
So beautiful. Our tea is ready.
See that? Your tea is ready. So you can
get your
either
tea
use water or
with
warm
your marshmallows.
milk.
Who is drinking this one? You? Okay, it's for you. Take it.
Rexy.
Okay, Auntie. Which one?
The
Which
second
one?
Which one is
I want
going?
this one.
I'll take this one, right?
Okay.
Yay.
So now, hot water.
With my hot water. But the men saw should be good. Look. Ooh, pops out. Beautiful.
Okay, our chocolate.
So thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.
It's ready.
My new subscribers, I appreciate you a lot. Thank you. My old subscribers and returning subscribers, say thanks for staying with me, watching my videos, comments, sharing my videos. God bless you all. And I love you. Stay blessed and safe.
Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Mwah.